Hello everyone. Today I got a golden egg. So from the game. So let's see what's inside. Whoa! I got a necklace. Bye.